Yun guys, dito ako sa 5th floor ng Ace Hotel. Ace Hotel ba to guys? Dito ba? Ay nandiyan mo. TV, tatlo. Tapos sa rooftop guys, ng parking area guys. Parking area. Ayun guys, oh. 5th floor. Ayun guys, oh. Ayun guys, ang Siu Boulevard. Yan, Mandaluyong yan guys. Building ng Mandaluyong. Yan guys. Ito guys, ang building guys, oh. Taas guys. Okay, so dito yan sa Mandaluyong. Mandaluyong guys, taas guys, taas ang mga building guys. Shout out pala guys sa inyong lahat yan, mga tropa. Shout out. Yun yung ano guys, Pioneer Center. Pioneer Center Supermart. Yun yung mga building guys, so tinan mo guys.